Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Bitcoin wallet on Cash App. First, ensure your Cash App is updated and open the application. You'll need to verify your identity to unlock Bitcoin operations, which is a standard security measure. This verification process typically involves providing personal details and a government-issued ID. Once verified, you can access all the Bitcoin features within the app. After enabling Bitcoin features, buying Bitcoin is straightforward. Navigate to the Bitcoin section, often found on the Home or Investing tab. Tap the Buy button and enter the desired amount you wish to purchase. Cash App allows you to buy Bitcoin with as little as $1. Confirm your transaction using your PIN or Touch ID, and your Bitcoin will be added to your wallet almost instantly. To send Bitcoin, tap the arrow icon, then choose Send Bitcoin. You can either scan a recipient's QR code or manually enter their Bitcoin wallet address. Always double-check the address, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. To receive Bitcoin, tap Deposit Bitcoin to generate your unique wallet address. You can then share this address with anyone who wants to send you Bitcoin. Security is paramount when dealing with Bitcoin. Always enable two-factor authentication for your Cash App account to add an extra layer of protection. Before confirming any transaction, meticulously double-check the recipient's wallet address to prevent errors. Cash App also uses cold storage for a majority of Bitcoin, keeping it offline for safety. For a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Stay vigilant against scams and never share your private keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.